After you screen the contractors on paper, the next step is to move past promises and see how they really work. Phase 2 is an on-site inspection. Visit an active project and watch their systems in action, not just in photos or testimonials. This two-step vetting can eliminate 90% of problem contractors before they threaten your legacy home or your peace of mind. This final step decides whether your home becomes a drag on your estate's value or an asset that quietly grows it for generations.